yung pain talaga ng headache ko is sobrang sakit talaga. Now it's like close to zero. Hindi na nangyayari actually. Kakaiba talaga. I hope na ma-experience to ng iba. My name is Justice Monterde, 33 years old, and I was diagnosed with trigeminal neuralgia. Current work ko kasi is work from home. So, yung life ko nun is really not healthy. 8 hours to 16 hours nakaupo lang sa desk, sa computer, so doing work. So, siningil na ako ng body ko. Nagkaroon ako ng trigeminal neuralgia. Hindi siya malala, pero it really hurts. Yung first time is, this is not your typical chiropractic. When you see it on TikTok or mga Facebook Reels na magkakaroon siya ng mga sounds or crackings, hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya typical. You will think na walang nangyayari, but yung procedure is meron talagang impact sa health ko. Especially doon sa may atlas part ko, which is na-explain ni Doc. First experience ko talaga parang wala lang. I thought it's scam, it's fake, because yun nga, again, nag-rely ako sa mga social media information na you have to hear a sound in order for it to work. But it definitely changed my life. Right now, before kasi yung trigeminal neuralgia is sumusulpot siya. Hindi siya malala, unlike other cases. Like, yung mga severe cases na hindi siya makakain, yung mga toothbrush. Very minimal, pero yung pain talaga ng headache ko is sobrang sakit talaga. Now, it's like close to zero. Hindi na nangyayari actually. After nung repeated na pagpunta ko dito, 10 sessions inabot. So, 6th pa lang or 7th, nagkaroon na ako ng improvement. First, yun talaga akala ko scam. Kasi nag-worse siya, yung pala yung procedure ng pag-heal. So, after nun, I just, nag-hope na lang ako na totoo to. And then, nagpurso ako kasi naniwala rin ako kay Doc. And after 6th, 7th, yun, parang wala na lang. Kakaiba talaga. I hope na ma-experience to ng iba. Yeah, 100%. I would recommend this. Nabigyan na ako ng mga ibang names, yung mga pwedeng tawagan kasi I have few friends, families na nag-experience ng back pain. So hopefully, they will come to visit and experience Doc's powers.